Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by creating a new Android Studio project with Kotlin and an empty activity so you can code immediately. Once done, define a question data class holding ID, text, choices list, and answer index so you have a clear contract for UI and storage. Then add a local JSON file or room seed data for questions. This separates content from logic and makes updates safe. Make sure to enable Kotlin extensions and add JSON or room dependency for parsing and persistence. Next, build the interactive UI, a text view for the prompt, a radio group or recycler view for options, and navigation controls so users progress smoothly. Once the layout is ready, implement a view model to hold current index, score, and validation logic to keep UI lifecycle safe. Load your question list into the view model, bind live data to the views, and handle option selection and next clicks to update score and index. Also add small animations to signal right or wrong answers for better feedback. Finally, implement a result screen showing score breakdown and persist high scores using shared preferences for simplicity or room for robust history. Once done, write unit tests for scoring logic and UI tests for navigation and input to catch regressions. Make sure to handle configuration changes by relying on view model and saving minimal UI state. If something fails, first inspect logs and view model state. Often missing live data observers or incorrect index updates cause skipped questions. Fixing those usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.